Hi, I'm Paulo, and for this video, I'll show you how to download videos from Facebook. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. So I'm on my Facebook page right now, and what I want to do is download a video from my live stream and upload it to my YouTube channel. So this is the video. So let me show you how to download a video from Facebook this 2019, and this is a step-by-step tutorial. So first I choose the video, so this would be it. What I do is right click on it and show the video URL, or I click on it first, like this, and then right click on it, show video URL. Once it shows up, just copy it. Alright, now once you've copied it, go to the three dots on the right. By the way, you have to use Chrome for this. Alright, make sure that the browser you're using is Chrome. So again, let's do this step by step. Choose a video. So I choose this video, click on it.
So for this website,
and then right click anywhere within the video, show video URL. This will show up. All you have to do is copy the address, and then on the upper right, this is on the Chrome bar. Alright, on the rightmost there are three dots. Choose New Incognito Window. Click on that. So once you're in the incognito window, just paste the website that you copied. Now, once you're here, so this will show up. No need to log in. So once the video shows up here on the right side of the video, right click on it, view page source. Now once on the view page source window, Control F if you're using Mac, Command F. So you're going to look for something. Here you type in HD, so that's H for Henry, D for Doctor, underscore, S for Sam, R for Romeo, C for Charlie, semicolon. So once you type that in, this will show up, okay? It will be highlighted within the window. Now what you do from here, you look for the HTTPS just right next to it. So from here, as you can see, this one highlighted in orange. Alright, from there, going right, you look for the one with HTTPS. So it would be this one. Alright? Now there's a quote beside it. There's no need to copy that, but because what we're gonna do is copy the source, okay? For the HD underscore SRC semicolon. So from here, put a marker on it like I'm doing right now. So HTTPS going down. What you're looking for is the last one, this one, because you'll see another one with HD underscore tag. Until you see HD underscore tag, which is this one, alright? Before this, there's a comma and there's another quote. We are not to copy the code. Okay, so let's do this again. Once you've typed in HD underscore SRC semicolon, it will be highlighted, which is this one in orange. So it will show where it is within this page. From here, you left click, go down. You are looking for HTTPS. That means that's the website itself. Alright, that's the start of the video you'll be copying from. So it's here. We are not going to include the code. So from here, from the HTTPS, I'm gonna highlight everything going down. What we're looking for is the HD tag, which is this one. This is our next marker. Before that, there's a comma and there's a quote. We're not going to copy the quote, so until this one only. Alright? So there's a set of letters and numbers on it. Just make sure that you're not including the quote. Alright? So now what we do now is copy it. Copy. Once you open this on a new window, so just open a new window, paste it, press enter. Now you can download this video already. How? Either you right click on the video itself and then save video as, or by clicking on the three dots on the lower right and then choosing download. So once you download, it will be on the MP4 format. Alright, so that's it. So that's how you download a video from Facebook. If you liked or learned anything from this video, please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and let's grow this channel together. Don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and if you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Be sure to check the bonuses on the description of this video. And just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!